Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. We'll see which stocks we'll trade tomorrow. But before that, there's a very important question which everyone is asking, which everyone is speaking about on the market on YouTube today is the market going to crash? Again, there is a crash now. Okay, so that is a very important topic, and people, most of them are asking: Should I sell my portfolio? Should I sell all the stocks which I have? Should I close my mutual funds position now? So these are the very important questions which everyone is asking. So let's see what is the plan. What should be the plan now? On day chart, if you see, yes, this is a very big candle compared to all others. Okay, here again, if you see, they were again pretty big candles on the selling side. Okay, so it is a negative scenario currently. Yes, true. We'll consider this as a negative scenario. But one thing which we have to see is after a stretch, if you see, every time after a stretch on the positive side, there is this negative candle formed. Okay. Then again, there is a sideways move for some time, and then it is again going back above. Okay. Now, what can happen? The stretch has been long this time. If you see, this stretch has been quite long. Every time, if you see, there was small moves, small moves. Every time for the buying, there is no opportunity. Gap up, small move, gap up, small move, gap up, small move. But for the selling, maybe if even if it is gap up, it is giving a sharp down move. So we are getting some good down moves. Okay, so this is what we have to consider now. We are getting some good down moves even when the market is gap up. Okay, now what should we plan on the portfolio side? One thing which we have to remember: whenever market is going to crash, it will always break certain important levels. Okay, so current, yes, this is one important levels around 12,700, and then lifetime high 12,400 nearby this. Give me a moment. This 12,400. So these two are crucial support levels now at this period, because until now market has not tested any support. If you see, it has been up, and then again a little small red candles again going up. So there is no support testing done yet. So now if these supports are broken, then you can think of selling your portfolio. Okay, now again, one thing you have to note: if you are planning to sell, what was your thought when you brought those stocks? Because whenever we buy some stocks, we have an intention to keep it for long, not just for 1 or 2 days or maybe for one month. We buy it for long. So here, there is one more thing which you can consider. Whenever there is a fall, you can consider this as a buying opportunity and can buy at good price. Right, you can buy it at good price. So that can be your thought process at this point also. But once these 12,000 levels are crossed, then I will consider this as a crash coming up. But until now, this I will not consider this as a crash. There should be a correction. I was expecting a correction. Even today in my live trading session, I had told the students that this is a correction which I am expecting. So this is a correction. I still expect that in the December month, in from now to December month, the market can stay in the range of 13,000 to 12,000. This is the range which I am eyeing on. So they'll not make a big move. At least Nifty 13,000 to 12,000 is a little big move. I am still expecting 12,300 nearby, 12,300 to 13,000. But Bank Nifty, I'm expecting a smaller range, because if you see, Bank Nifty has given a huge move, some 5,000 points, 6,000 point move in within no time, within a month. So this was not expected. 27,000 or 28,000 was the expectation which we were speaking about during our analysis. We had told that when it crosses this 24,000 level, it will go at a very sharp move. So this I'm expecting nearby this around 28,000 to 26,000 some range. We'll have this 3,000 point range for Bank Nifty, but Nifty, that range. So I'm not expecting a big crash. I'm expecting a correction at this point. Yes, if there is a crash, then we'll know it when the important support and resistance levels are broken. But if you have something to add up in your portfolio, this is the right time. Whenever there is a good correction, you can add some stocks instead of just removing it if you have hold it for long term. But if it was for very short term, I would always prefer that okay, you can just go and remove all your stocks at this period, and then if you get at again a better price, you can take it. But I'll not consider, as an investor, I'll not consider taking out your positions from the stocks at this point. Okay, now let's see what are we planning for tomorrow. Okay, now The first stock is Asian Paints. Asian Paints has been testing this 2200 level multiple times and being rejected at that point now. Okay, now this is a good rejection. Even market supported it, but now once it breaks 21,050 tomorrow, it will be a great, great opportunity to give this 20-30 points to us. It can give very easily. Okay, so this will be a this will keep an eye on. If you want the entry levels, if you want the SL that has to be that we provide, you can follow us on Instagram and also Telegram. We provide the details there. The link is present in the description below. Next stock is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, if you see from here, 3,300 to almost 4,900, it has given a single short move. So now it has broke a trend line. If you see, there is a light trend line that was formed. It has broken that. Now, slightly, and then now it can continue this move and it can go up to 4,500 in tomorrow's session, which I am planning. So this will be my planning for tomorrow if market supports. So this will be a sell. Again, next one is Sun TV. This is also a sell. If you see, it made a beautiful head and shoulder pattern, and then it came down. But it did not cover the whole part. If you see, almost it has covered the 50% of it. Now again, it has made a higher low part, and again getting a rejection at the same point. In tomorrow's session, if it breaks 415 level, it might give us a good 4 or 5 point move in futures also. So we can capture this. Now, next stock is Tata Elxsi. Tata Elxsi, if you see, it was giving a good downtrend. It tried to go up, again rejection. It tried to again go up, again rejection, and it has broke this trend line. Okay, so this is a very small reason. Very good reason to sell this in tomorrow's session. Next one is Tata Steel. Again, Tata Steel also, after this good up move, it has broke this trend line, so the momentum can continue. There's a small trend line. If you see, this trend line has been, steep trend line, not small. There's a steep trend line that has been formed. This trend line has been broken now. Okay, this trend line has been broken, so the chances are that it might continue this move and it can give some good points in tomorrow's session. Okay, because it does not have some proper support at this level, so it can give some good points. Okay, now what can we plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, as tomorrow is an expiry, can be in a range of 12,950 to 12,750. Okay, if in case there is no huge selling happening. Okay, so if there is a gap up and it moves nearby 12,950, I will happily sell and I'll let it whenever there's a price action near that point, I'll sell it. And whenever this or else if it is opening flat and breaking the low of today, I'll sell it, and my target will be 12,750. Okay, so this will be very small kind of trade in Nifty. Bank Nifty also, there's a similar plan. Again, 29,600 will be one of the level which I'll keep an eye on. 600, and then here and at the lower level, if you see, 28,800 and 28,600 will be again a crucial range. So this will trade in a range. Similarly, as I told, if similar to Nifty, this I'll trade if it opens gap up and it goes at this level and then tries to return. That will be a good sell to me at that point. So that's it from this video. If you have understood what the trade is and why we will be taking the trade, please do like, subscribe the channel, and also share with your friends so that everyone learns and grows. Thanks a lot, guys.